Welcome back. My murder mystery party was so much fun. I died. Just died. So I was the only one at the table who died. Heather's boyfriend Carl was the murderer. Chad actually guessed it right, so that was shocking. I did not guess it right. But it was so much fun. If you ever have the opportunity to do a murder mystery party, you should do it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I bought recently, kind of like a little collective haul. I have some stuff from Ulta and then also some stuff from Amazon. I'm honestly not a big Amazon girly. This is a hot take. Hate the era that we're in of like dupes.
Schemes, dupe.
Like everything needs to have a dupe now and it's like, why? Okay, I get it. Some things are expensive. When it comes to like Lululemon dupes, like the scuba dupes or like the pants dupes, I truly believe in quality over quantity. I'd rather have one pair of really, really high quality leggings than have 12 pair of leggings that look like the high quality ones, but are not going to last in the wash for more than a year. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Don't come for me on that, but not a big Amazon girly in that regard. But in regard to like the fun little things that you can get from Amazon, on board with that. So I guess we'll start with Amazon since I won't stop talking about it. The first thing I got, I'm very influenced by people on TikTok. One especially being Alex Earl. I think that girl could tell me to set myself on fire and I would do it. Got this light. I annoyed every single person in my family with this light thus far. It is so bright. Holy shit. There's a lot of different settings on it. I mean, look at this. This is one of the settings, and then there's this one, and then there's this one. But yeah, and then you can adjust the brightness. I really like this light. It was pretty inexpensive. You can charge it as well with a charging cord. It has this little clip at the bottom. I've been like clipping it to my tripod, or I clipped it to my laptop today when we were on a Zoom call, and everyone was like, where are you? Big fan. I'll link this below. Second item, I have wanted earmuffs for basically the entire holiday season. I really wanted to get some to wear to New York, but then it ended up being like pretty mild weather-wise, so the earmuffs were unnecessary. I probably would have been hot. Stop. How cute are these? I just have a feeling that my boyfriend is going to hate these. They're very obnoxious. I get that, but they're just so cute. So moving on, I have become a headband girly. So my hair is slicked back right now. I do still have front bangs. I'm just getting really good at like hiding them in my hair. I love my bangs, do not get me wrong, and I love wearing them when they are styled, but having to put heat on such a thin part of my hair every single day is just like not something I'm really like down to do. So I've been kind of a headband girl lately. I went and got a pack. I needed one. I ended up with like 12. I think it's a pack of 10 actually. But there's just like various colors of headbands, light pink and black, purple,
Brown, white, navy, gold, royal blue, burgundy, green.
I basically bought this for the black one. Obviously I would wear this with my hair down and like not slicked back and parted like this. But I just wanted like a little something to wear. Like if I really didn't feel like doing my hair but wanted to wear it down, I can only like clip it back so many times or like put it in little ponytails. I run out of things to do. On the headband trend here, I also got this pack of 3. Not my camera dying literally in the middle of my headband explanation. Anyways, so I got this pack of 3 stretchy headbands, gray, black, and white. These I feel like are a little more on trend right now than these. These I feel like are way more casual. I used to wear these headbands all the time when I was in high school, and I'm kind of excited to wear them again. Last item is a pair of cheap sunglasses. I'm going to Miami for one of my really good friends' bachelorette party. So I got a pair of sunglasses that I can take and hopefully not lose because they're really cute, but if I do lose them, I'm not gonna be in tears about it. Oh, I really like these. Are they crooked or is that just my one eyebrow being higher than the other? You guys, are one of my eyebrows higher than the other? I can't tell now. Anyways, these are like some god complex sunglasses right now. I'm a huge fan. These were in tortoise and gradient gray. Yeah, the lenses really aren't black. They're more of like a gray color. Hence gradient gray. All right, now moving on to Ulta. So I have an Ulta credit card, and for some reason when I buy things on Ulta, I just pretend like it's an unlimited gift card, I guess. I felt like it was a little warranted to make a purchase because I did get an email that the glorified sunshine drops were back in stock. Because I was able to get this product, that was like a gateway drug to buying other things. First and foremost, I got the Drunk Elephant Debronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. Why this name of this product is this long? I have been wanting to try these. I use a similar product from Iconic London. This is from Revolve. It's this illuminator. I use this in my get ready with me for the murder mystery party, and it just like makes you more tan, which essentially I'm pretty sure is what this product does. We're gonna try this out. I'm excited about this. Drunk Elephant you shouldn't have. There's a little whipped cream. Oh, it's Lala Retro whipped cream. What is this? They put a little moisturizer in there. Next product was an Alex Earl recommendation. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium 1 Custard. So it looks like this. So I'm excited because I just ran out of my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, next thing I got from Ulta was this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. It comes in a little tin. It's just clear. It literally looks like there's nothing in here. I had an e.l.f. product that was pretty similar to this, but you basically just apply this with a brow brush. I also have like a laminator type brush from e.l.f., so I'll probably use that with this too. I read up a lot on different brow products. Right now I've been using this one from Benefit. This is the 24-hour brow setter. It just comes with like a little brush like this. I am kind of partial to using my own brush. I just think that they come out a little bit better, and I feel like I waste a lot of the product with this, but it's small and cute, so it's nice for travel. I'm excited to try this one. I'll let you guys know how that is as well. And then last thing I got was this little brush. So this is a MAC 170 brush. I do think this one is special edition, but it has like a little bit of an angle to it, and it's a little bit more concentrated than some of my other fluffier brushes. I love MAC brushes. Nothing compares to a MAC brush. I'm obsessed. So that concludes my collective haul. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please, please, please hit that subscribe button below. Send this to your friends. Like my video. All of the support means so much. Post me on your stories. Send me to your mom. I love any kind of feedback, anything you want me to do video-wise. I am here for the long haul, people, and I am going to reach 1,000 subscribers in the next couple months if it is the last thing I do. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you for supporting, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Okay, I seriously need to figure out if these are crooked. I really think this is my eyebrows.